Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Sony camera. To do this, first we'll need to click on Menu button, navigate to the toolbox icon right here, then move to the last sixth page, and right here on the bottom you can find Settings Reset. Click on it, then you can perform a reset to initialize your camera. That means everything will be wiped out and your device will basically change into brand new. Or we can go for camera settings reset, which should only reset all of the settings that you've changed on the camera. In this case, we're gonna go with initialize, click on OK, then select enter, and here confirm it. This should reset your camera to factory settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.